So many of you want to know what the Raincloud humidifier sounds like, so I will play it for you at the end. I just want to point out a few details. So there are 3 levels of intensity for the dripping water, and you can make it, fast, medium, or low. You also have the ability to dim the light, I think like 3 settings, and then you can also run the drips with the light completely turned off. So here it is running with the light turned off. It also has a feature where it will cycle through the different colors. So I'm going to stop talking and just let you listen to the raindrops while it cycles through.